beautiful love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below, guys, and also hit on that notification bell next to it so you guys can be notified of all of my videos when I upload them. So today, guys, I want to share with you some brushes. I'm obsessed with makeup brushes. I don't know, I love makeup brushes. I went on to Morphe website and I wanted to get me some brushes. A special that they had, which is might not be a special to you guys. I think the regular price on them, I'm gonna look here on my phone, and the regular price on these is $213, but they have them on sale for $155. But I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can read off which brushes they are, and because these are more like my reading glasses. And these here are the Jaclyn Hill favorite brush collection, and you get this. They came in a package by itself in a box, but it came in like a bag like this, and came in this nice what you call this, snake skin, I guess, kind of like a snake skin box of whatever you want to call it, but I'm not quite sure. I don't want to say the wrong thing. And it has Morphe on the front and like on the gold silver tail. And these here are the brushes, and you get so many brushes, guys. It's 23 brushes, and it says in the description that Ride or Die Morphe babe Jaclyn Hill has handpicked her 23 absolute favorite most essential brushes, and we'll put them all together in one collection, packed in the Love HH snakeskin case. Yeah, so yeah, I just want to share with you guys on the brushes that I got. You open it here just like front, and you open it here, and these are all the brushes in here. So I'm gonna name out some of the brushes that came in this package here. And you did get a Morphe R10 brush. Some are rose gold, some are silver. This here is R37, more like a fluffy blending brush. I have the M506. This one here again is M506, and then I have the M433, kind of dense but fluffy all at the same time, mainly for your packing in the crease area. I love these kind of brushes. And then I did mention the R10 brush here is in the rose gold. And I also got the big fluffy brush here, R2. I guess you can powder your face with this one, or either you can use it as putting on your bronzer. And then I have M504. It's another blending brush. It's a little bit dense too, but it has that more of a cone shape. I guess I'm saying that correctly. Pointed cone shape. The M439. I love. And I got a brush that's kind of similar to this one. I maybe have two brushes that's similar to this one. And I know I got one that's by Elf, I think. And then I have another one by Morphe. I can't really remember, but it doesn't have a number on it. And I did get a M518 in her collection. And that's some more of a blending brushes. Another blending brush. Then we have this huge E41. I love this. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, I love this. This is it. This here's the brush, y'all. And this one here is M530. I love that one as well. And this one here is M573. And if I think about it, I'll try to have all the brushes numbers on the screen or in the description section so you guys can go check them out. This one here is M513. So many blending brushes, y'all. I love blending brushes. And the next one is E18. You can use that for applying your under eye shadow. And also you can, if you wanted to put it directly, strictly in that crease, you can use it for that. The next one I have is 510. And this one here. And the next one I have is an E47 angle brush. And next I'm going to share with you guys, with this brush collection, what to use these brushes for. And the next one I have is E36. And the next one I have is M441. Next I have M432. And next I have M213. And the next one I have M438. Next I have M437. Next one is E8. It's E8, the number 8. And the last one but not least is E17. So you guys, this is all of my brushes. These are all the brushes. 23 brushes in this collection at a price of $155. I also used her discount code, but I have it in the description section so you guys can, if you decide that you want to purchase these brushes, I will have it in the description section. But here are the brushes.